Let me digest his question, okay? Yeah, failed negative exception may be unique. As I mentioned, it may not be accepted in journal A, B, C, and D, but definitely, as you see, my 600 papers or 700 papers is rejected 7 times, 8 times, but it's accepted in 9th time. So it will be accepted. I can assure that it will be accepted somewhere. Okay, and then yes, it is accepted, but it's rejected, meaning that you are not a researcher because you have done something. It takes some time. Maybe it's not that high level, it's not that up to that level, but still you are a researcher. And again, the level of researcher, you know, that you are a young researcher, you have 1 paper, you have 2 paper, someone like in researcher in MIT, someone in Stanford, someone in Prague University. So I still will call you a researcher. Okay, as long as prepare the paper, the elements are there. Maybe you are not up to that level, higher level here. So to me, I think you are still a researcher. Yes, you can be called a researcher. And as I mentioned, never give up and keep on trying. And you will publish in a conference paper, in conference, okay, 2 or 3 papers, conference paper, and maybe in seminar. Okay, even you are not published, but you can explain in conference. You can explain in front of people. You are good at explaining. I still will consider that you are a researcher. Okay, because you are still junior. Okay, yeah, I think, yeah.